Hello everybody, it's Renari. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. You guys asked for this because you want to kill me. So this is going to be EXO, the EXO'rDIUM again in Japan. White Noise, Thunder, Playboy, and Artificial Love. I know it's early. I know everyone said I'm not ready. I already saw on TikTok the little clips from Artificial Love. I have no idea what the song sounds like, but I have seen some clips. And I don't think I'm ready, but a lot of people have been asking for it, and I said, you know, screw it. Individual guides will be coming soon. Music video reactions from back in the day up till now, you know, I'll be starting those. But screw it, let's just do it. Let's get into it. And if you are just finding my channel or you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Help be a part of this little community. I appreciate every single one of you. Talk with me down in the comments. That's my favorite thing when these videos go up. And I thank you so much for being here. Okay, everyone that is new to my channel, I think if you have requested this, you have at least figured out that I have no self-control. So with that in mind, let's watch. That's not why I'm stopping. I mean, kind of. No, but this is cool too because this is a completely different vibe than the one that I just did with the acoustic medley, and they were all in white, and the whole thing was very light, and this is gonna be different. Okay. Look at him feeling himself. Okay. Oh, hit it. Bacon, hit it. Oh, you goofball. Why did that look so goofy? That just looked adorable. Shio. These outfits are freaking nuts. I love them. They're so simple. Woo. Don't wink at me. Something about Dio not singing and just dancing is so funny to me. It just looks so adorable when he's not singing and he's just dancing. I don't know why. That is so adorable. I'm also not going to say their names like every single time like I did last time. I definitely had it right that time. I confused Lay just because I wasn't expecting him to be there. But I've got it, and trust me, I've got it. Now it's to recognize their voices. I have no trouble with Dio usually, but everyone else is kind of, I'm not there yet. This is so cool. I like that they're using the moving stages again. I really like that in the last one. Oh! Schumann's feeling himself. I don't know what they're saying, but I like it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, you would look so happy, Chaniel. You know what is about to happen. That looks so fucking cool. That looks so cool.
Aren't you ready, baby?
I don't know what Sehun just said, but sure. Oh! China's killing it on these vocals, as usual. Oh, I'm just smiling so much. I was expecting them to get like drenched in water. Thank God they're not. I guess it wouldn't matter because they're not wearing white anyway, so it wouldn't be that bad. But that is so fucking cool with the water and one person in the middle. Suho was in the middle for a while, I guess. I don't know if he's still in the middle. Yeah. Oh. Get this rap line in there. Woo! Which song is this? It might say it at the end in the description, so I'll check. But I assume it's White Noise. I'm loving this song so much. Okay. Lay has some business for us apparently. What is this? I love it. Ooh, so stable. I also just realized, like, Suho's the only one with colored hair right now. I guess Schumann's is more than just blonde. It's like an orangey yellow. That was dirty. That whole little bit was dirty. Excuse you. Look at you. Yeah, just, and then the smile. Nope, done. He's done. I'm done. That was dirty. Okay. Okay, this goes into Thunder, I imagine. Right? Which makes sense. That's cool. And White Noise, Rain kind of sounds like White Noise. That's cool concept. I don't know if they probably planned it like that, but okay, that's cool. Oh, you guys are adorable. Oh, that is so cute. I'm trying to enjoy this. This song is smooth. Ooh, this song is smooth. Ooh. Where am I supposed to look? Oh my lord. Woo! Oh my god, did you see his expression change in 2 seconds? Not even, like, on a... I couldn't even breathe fast enough for him to go like that. Damn. Oh, I love a song. I love a song. Holy. Ooh. Oh, that was good. Oh, that was good. That little break. I love songs that do that. Oh, wow. The Thunder so far might be my favorite song that I've checked out from EXO. Holy shit. Like, I'm just loving the whole vibe. The whole thing. They could have been sitting and doing this and I would be floored. Oh. No. Stop doing that. Stop doing those smiles. That's what he is, smiling the whole freaking time. Okay, Lay, I'm sorry. Go. Okay, don't go like that. God, Kai's in his zone. He is in his own world. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh, that looks so cool. Stop smiling. I can't. Oh, that was a unexpected rap line. Ooh! Ooh! Fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Why am I getting attacked? Holy crap. I wasn't over Chaniel's fucking little energy at the end there. Little just let's stare at the camera for 2 minutes. And then what was Playboy? Like, okay. Okay. Why did I go back? Oh. you know what you did. You know. Fucking. I can totally see why Kai is like most people's biases. Like even when they're just coming into EXO, they know of Kai, and they're drawn to him. Obviously, he's the center of a lot and one of the main dancers, lead dancers, whatever the appropriate term is. I get it. His stage performance and his stage performance. It's interesting because usually when people have really, really insane stage performance, it doesn't necessarily always come out in their music videos. But so far, I mean, I've only seen Love Shot, and that was the same as he was on stage. Like, just crazy energy, crazy personality going into everything. Stop going back. What the hell? Renari! Stop. Did you... What are you about to touch, Chaniel? He was like... Like, is I have to lick and do something? I need water. Literally just because my throat is dry. Don't get any ideas. It's because my throat is dry. I was about to just like curse you guys out for suggesting this so early. Thank you to everybody that came to my defense and was like, you know what? She's not ready for it. Let's not suggest it for her. Whoever dares suggest it to her is going to be just cursed for life. No, I'm glad I'm seeing it. I'm glad I'm seeing it now, to be honest. Okay. Oh, that's cute. That's cute little choreography between the two pairs. God, lay it. Hits different. Hits different. Woo. Chen's like, yeah. Woo! I was about to say it's Dio. 100%. Made the same noise as I did. Woo! Wow. I also heard, like I saw a list, I guess, and Baekhyun was on the top male solo performers in Korea, or solo artists, solo singers. So, I mean, I know they all have solo stuff, but that's pretty damn cool. Why do they gotta point at us? Why do you have to call us out? Oh, Lay! Okay, I can't wait to get to Lay's guide because like, was he a dancer before? I know he's a big actor now and stuff, but I don't. He's fucking good. Like, look, oh, they don't care about their fans, right? Like, don't take that out of context. Do not dare take that out of context. They don't care about their fans and how much they are just going to brutally murder them with their choreography and sexy concepts. Like, they don't give a shit, right? They're just like, keep going, keep going, keep going. I mean, I guess that's what we want. That's what we want. I guess in some ways we're all pretty masochistic and just don't give a shit about how bad it hurts. And he definitely doesn't give a shit. So this doesn't make up for what you've done. This does not make up for anything. Okay. I forgot. I fucking forgot. This is what I was prepared for, and I just forgot. Ugh, Lord.
현실적이지 않던 너지만 이유 없이 먼저 갔어 너를 갈망한 내 목마름 표면적인 너와 나의 관계 자격 있는 사랑 역시 너의 한계 왜곡된 감각과 불투명한 현실의 경계 시도는 위 내겐 artificial love 순결했던 너의 artificial love.
This video has been going on for so long, I just want to close my eyes. I just don't even want to. This is what, 4 minutes? Song? There's a dance break, isn't there? Oh, I've just... Yeah, I can't. You know what, Chen? You know what? That is the best thing you've said so far. I understood it. It spoke to me. It was exactly correct. Why are you giving me split screen? Can I not just look at one person? This song's growing on me. I was about to comment that I don't really enjoy it as much as the other ones. I love this, like, pairs. I love when they split off in pairs. It's just so cool. I'm exhausted. This has exhausted me. Laugh through the pain, right? I love the kick. I love the kick. I have never seen a more complete group flirt with the camera. You know, sometimes you get one or two. Who hasn't? I guess Dio doesn't flirt with the camera as much, but you know, like sometimes does. So I didn't expect it from some of them, though. I did not expect it from some of them, and got some. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Turn it up.
Let's not. Let's not. That's exactly what I did not want, Channel. Don't want to turn it up. I don't want more.
Turn it up.
Oh. Actually, was that Channel or Bacon that said it? That's Channel.
Turn it up.
But then it goes back to Bacon, and they have like a similar haircut, so I was just like, wait, did you say it? It doesn't matter who said it. You're both freaking rude. Rude. Yeah, of course, yeah, you would. I knew I was right. Rude bastard. I also am just saying, like, excuse me for swearing and cursing. I am so in love with them. He's not a bastard. I'm just, this is rude. This is so rude. Dio, just get it. Just get it. Keep going. Woo. And this is, no, you know what? They tricked me. Did they trick me? They tricked me. Because I was like, oh, I guess we don't get a proper dance break. They fucking... It would be these two too, right? Like it would be. Okay, I hate this icon in the middle of the screen. Come on now. Well, okay. I did it. I survived it. I survived it. I experienced it. No, that was amazing. That was incredible. Thunder, for sure, favorite song out of all four of those, but they're all really, really good. And I love that I don't know if they came out on like the same album. I don't know when these songs came out or whatever, but they all fit perfectly together. And I love the concept that I just watched. And it just, like, that's a classic, right? The cane thing is a classic. The water is just like classic EXO. Like that's what, I don't know, it reminds me of like the Rainism thing with the cane, you know? Like you think of that performance because that was a performance that I will never forget. They did so much and so little at the same time, if you know what I mean. Like it was just so effortless, and they were running around the stages going and have different props and everything. They were literally just walking around and then suddenly just breaking down and dancing. It's just like, okay, whatever, you can do that, I guess. If anyone's gonna do it, you're gonna do it. I love that. I loved that. I love them so much. And I really, really didn't think I would. Holy crap. Like, I don't know how much I can stress that enough. I really didn't think I would go for EXO ever. Just like from what I've heard, which apparently wasn't that much. But I never thought that I would be in this deep, especially this fast. I don't even know their personalities that well, but boy, do I want to. So let's just, let's get into the individual guides. Let's get into some older music videos, some, I don't know, shows I can watch. I know they were on Knowing Brothers because that clip, that clip of, I don't remember which host it was, saying you look like six idols and two random guys or whatever it was, that cracked me up. Like, I saw that way, like, months and months ago. And it's still funny. It's even funnier now. A lot of things are funnier now. A lot of clips I'm seeing that include members of EXO are just so much funnier now that I understand where they're from and they're not just random people. So I'm excited to get into more EXO on the channel. I hope you're excited to come along this journey with me. You're all coming, you're all suffering with me because I'm not doing it alone. And I'm excited for the next video. I'm excited to just do more. So let me know down below what you want to see. Talk with me down below about whatever you want. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already.